It's really important for us to have the staff voice being heard and coming across in the staff survey. It allows all our members to take part in it and have their voice heard anonymously. There's qualitative data, there's quantitative data. It's thoroughly important for us to be able to back up many of our arguments with that evidence from staff. So it's really important for people who took part last time to take part again, to make their voice heard, and for those people who didn't take part the last time to understand that it really does make a difference to us to have this weight of evidence to support us in negotiations and discussions with the university about where staff have concerns.
Everybody's voice is important in the University of Glasgow, and a lot of support staff perhaps feel they're not heard as much, say, as an academic member of staff, but that's absolutely not the case. The university is interested in hearing the views of everyone.
I think it's important that we both represent members across the academic team in the university, and it's important for us that those voices are heard, whether or not that is a professor or whether or not that's an administrator or somebody working in finance, whatever that might, or janitor, cleaner. It's really important that whole voice comes again, because it helps us in when we are negotiating with management. It's really helpful for us to be able to say, look, this is what the staff survey said, how can we move that forward?
Perhaps even for support staff that might actually be the first time that university management have actually heard what they've got to say, and so it does give them the opportunity. It might be the only opportunity they've got to actually say what their view on the university is, on how their management is, how their department is, what their line managers like. It's the only opportunity that they may have, so I think they should absolutely use it.